Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today made a very nice move. I'd imagine that we could all agree that considering where the price was going into the day and then where the price ultimately closed, any rational person is going to, like I said, agree that, yeah, today's move was very, very solid. But that does lead to a very valid and, logical question. But is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point. And the area here on this chart is valued right here at $1.35. Why is $1.35 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.35. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say this happens, not saying it will, but let's just pretend there's a pretty drastic pullback. Price comes down here and then does something like this. So even after a drastic pullback, what would you have? Well, you'd still have a set of lows right here. Previous set of lows would be down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, the stair steps would still be progressing in the upwards direction, even after, again, a pretty deep pullback. And that's the name of the game. You want to see the price making progress as time unfolds. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, make progress as $1.35. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to talk about those right now because in my opinion, top priority right now is going through healthy consolidation and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So $1.35, definitely that important level the remainder of the week. Let's see if the price can stay above it or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.